Layers of styrofoam under the stand. I got 2 layers of styrofoam on top of the stand. I'm putting a wood bracing around it because if you see my other video, I told you when I had to repair the tank and take the bottom glass off, it snaps. Not this, but this is what it looked like. But it was on the bottom. But it snapped in 4 pieces. So once I have the tank up here, I'm going to finish the bracing going around. And then my log pieces, they do stand up by themselves and everything, but I want to put silicone at the bottom, and that's gonna need time to dry, so by tomorrow I will be ready to put water in the tank. So you guys, you want to see a 220-gallon tank full of Jack Dempsey's convict cichlids, Trimac cichlid, a whole bunch of plecos. What else I got up in there? I know I got some more stuff, I just can't think of it right now. But y'all want to see the end, the finished product, how I decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it like Amazon forest. That's my theme I'm going with. So subscribe to my channel, check out my playlist. I got 5 different playlists, 5 different things. I'm trying to help you guys save money within your hobby. I'm trying to put you guys on game. Anyway, enough of me talking. Y'all have a good night. Y'all see a video y'all like, hit the like button, please. Help me help you. If friends and family need help with something, share my videos with them. It costs nothing to share or like a video. That's all I'm asking. Alright guys,